Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Oh yes, good afternoon. I forgot.
Bonjour, ma'am.
Bonjour, bonjour, Hamad. How was your exam?
Ma'am, good.
Good, very nice. Now, those children who will attend my class today will get the privilege of knowing their marks today only. Because I'm going to check your papers right in front of you. Yes. How was your exam?
Okay,
Good?
ma'am.
It went well?
Ma'am.
Yes? Okay, so I have Hamad's paper first with me. Hamad, what is this? You want me to check your paper? Shall we discuss answers?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, the first one. Everybody take out your answer copies where you have written answers. Now I have your answers.
Ma'am, please
with
wait
me.
for a minute. Ma'am, I have bring it.
Yes? Shall we begin?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we should wait for a minute.
The first one, the first question is you are supposed to choose the correct option. So what is the correct one? Elle est français or elle est française?
Ma'am, from says.
Yes, française. Then, ils sont amis or amis?
Ma'am, armies.
Amis, very good. Yes. Then, j'ai une question or je suis une question?
Ma'am, just shui.
I am. What is listen, what is je suis une question? Je suis une question means I am a question. And j'ai une question is I have a question. What is correct?
Ma'am, je
J'ai une question. So it's wrong. Then, ce sont. No, the fourth one is tu as le livre de français or tu es le livre de français?
Ma'am, A.
You are a book of French or you have the book of French.
Ma'am, have.
Have, then it will be AS. It will not be ES, beta. Tu A means you are the book of French. Are you the book of French? No, I don't think
No,
so.
ma'am.
Yes. Then, Samira et Pedro. No, the fifth one is Ce sont des fouilles. It's ce sont des fouilles or une fouille?
Ma'am, they.
They. Very nice.
Ma'am,
They. Samira et Pedro sont des amis. Sont or?
Ma'am, song.
Very nice.
Ma'am, song.
Samira and Pedro are friends. Good. Then Sonia est Italian. Italian or Italian?
Italian.
Italian. Very good. Les amis du Pedro or the Pedro?
The.
It is the. Hamad, from nowhere, why have you written DES? DES was not in the option also. Why did you
Ma'am,
write DES? Huh?
Ma'am, DE.
Yes, it will be DE.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Then the second is what you are supposed to do. You are supposed to translate it into French. Read out, Ayushi. Read out the first sentence. What is the question? You have the question with you? Okay. He is a friend of Caroline. The sentence is he is a friend of Caroline. So what is the French translation? Who will tell me? C'est an army. This is a friend, not le army, but an army. A friend. What is written in the sentence, Hamad? He is a friend of Caroline. So for a, we are going to put un. An army, the Caroline. That's correct. Then, I have the book of history.
Ma'am, Sheila lived
Very nice. J'ai un livre d'histoire. Very good. Then the third one. They are Italian, sorry, they have Italian friends. So,
is on Italian.
ils ont des amis italiens. Very good. Ils ont des amis italiens. Correct. Then, fourth one. We have, we are Japanese. Now, what is the translation of we are Japanese? Nous sommes japonais. Nous sommes japonais. Okay? Nous sommes japonais is the correct one. Then the fifth one is, yes.
Ma'am, I mistakenly write, ma'am, American
Yes,
in front of Japan.
Don't worry, I'm not going to consider it. Your answer is correct. Okay. Then she is American. Elle est American.
LA American.
Very good. The sixth one, we have exam today. So, nous avons le contrôle aujourd'hui or nous avons un examen aujourd'hui. Both are correct.
Ma'am,
Then the seventh one is the boy is Spanish. Le garçon
ma'am, le garçon est
espagnol. Le garçon est espagnol. Very good. Then the eighth one. The girls are Portuguese. Les filles sont portugaises. Les filles sont portugaises. Done. Then the next one is translate in English. So what is the first one? Hello. Here it is Pedro. Or hello, here it's Pedro. Correct.
Okay, ma'am.
Then the next one is,
What
is this? What is this or what is that? Both are correct. Then these are, the third one is, these are benches. Benches. Very good. Then
Ma'am, I have written no.
Those.
Yes, those will also be correct. Don't worry. Those will also be correct. Then these are Manuel's friends. These are the friends of Manuel. Both are correct. These are Manuel's friends or these are the friends of Manuel. Then they are Chinese. Hamad, why in every sentence, beta, you have written the are Chinese, the are Manuel friends? Why not they? You got confused somewhere? Okay, the man is English. L'homme est anglais means the man is English.
I have written the man.
What have you written? But I'm just talking about one man. L'homme. It's not les hommes. Have I written les hommes? No.
No, ma'am.
I'm just talking about one man. The man is English. Then Neha lives in India. Everyone has written this? Neha.
I have written live.
What have you written, Ayushi? Unmute yourself. I cannot understand. Okay, next. The last one is c'est un journaliste. What is the translation?
He
This
is a
is-
journalist.
This is yes, this is a journalist. Very good. Then question number 4. You were supposed to write correct article. Now it wasn't mentioned whether the article will be definite or it will be indefinite. So you,
Ma'am, they can be both.
yes, they can be any. You could have written any. But the article
Okay,
should
ma'am.
be according to the noun. So what is it? They shares is it's correct. Then horloge. Now horloge is given in singular. Amal, you have written plural article before it. Why so?
And there should be ill.
Yes, it will be.
No.
Yes, it will be L apostrophe. L'horloge. Very good. Then les banques. L-E-S banque. Les musées. Then la corbeille. Restaurant. Now what is restaurant? It's la or le. It's un restaurant. It's not un. Restaurant is masculine. It's un restaurant. Then le tele and un stylo. All are correct except for one beta. Then coming on to the last question, the 5th question, Spain. Now Spain, what you are supposed to write? The country name or the nationality? The question is either write. See, read the question. What the question is? What was written in the question paper? You have to
Right.
answer accordingly. According to either the country name or nationality. So when I have written Spain, I have not mentioned the nationality. What have I written? The country name. So you are supposed to give answer of Spain in French. What is Spain called in French?
Espagne.
Very good. L'Espagne. That's correct. Then Algerian. Algerian was written as masculine or feminine? Masculine. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
You will write Algerian. R-I-E-N.
Ma'am, Ian.
Yes, E-N. R-I-E-N. Then Portugal. Now what is Portugal? The country is given?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
The answer is Le Portugal. Then
L-E.
No, Portugal. It is the country name. Have I written masculine or feminine in the bracket?
No, ma'am.
So you are supposed to just write the country name, that is Le Portugal. Then Germany. What is asked for Germany? The country name, that is Almone. The country name is Almone. Then United States. Again, you're supposed to write the country name.
Ma'am, German is left.
I told beta Almone. The answer is
Ma'am, after
Almone.
Germany, there is German.
German is also given. Okay. Then it's almond. German masculine or German feminine?
Ma'am, feminine.
Then almond. A-double-L-E-M-A-N-D-E. Almond. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Then United States. The country name. Les États-Unis. That's all. Les États-Unis. Then Saudi Arabia. Masculine is given.
Arabia, Saudi.
No, Saudian. It will be Saudian. What is asked? Nationality is asked here. S-A-O-U-D-I-E-N. Then what is asked for Pakistan? Feminine nationality, Pakistani, isn't it? What will be the answer?
Ma'am, Pakistani, yes.
Pakistanis. S-E-N-A-I-S-E. Pakistanis.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, yes, correct, beta. Correct.
Ma'am, I have
Aditi.
written everything.
Yes, you have written everything. I can see that. So you think I should be
Ma'am,
considering it?
Ma'am, I don't know what I was supposed to do. Ma'am, there was
You should have
somewhere
asked
written
me.
message.
You should have asked me better. You should have dropped me a message if you were not clear. See, other students have also done it in the same way how it was asked. They also understood it now. Just writing everything is not correct here. Okay. So now finally you are free of UT1 French. Huh? Finally rid of it. Now tell me, you want to study something else? You want to study something new today? All of you open your cameras. Rest of the students whose cameras are off. Sukh Sehed, Jasmine, Utkarsh, Mohammed Faiz. You must be tired. Are you tired? Looks like you still have energy to study. So let's learn something new today. Okay? Did we start the next chapter? Quel jour sommes-nous? Did we start the chapter? Next chapter of Les Amis de Caroline. Yes or no? Open your copies and
Yes,
see if
ma'am.
we have
Yes,
started. Okay, what we are going to do is we are going to repeat the days of the week. Les jours de la semaine.
Ma'am, I know all.
Yes. So start speaking. Take out your copies, read out the days of the week from your copies. Who will read first? Nobody is ready to read, huh? Ayushi, have you written the days of the week? Okay, Hamad is.
Ma'am, I.
All right, start reading.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, the first day. Wait, ma'am. Ma'am, the first day is Monday. Monday, Lundi.
Okay. How you start
Tuesday,
reading? You will
Mardi.
say, beta wait. You will say, les jours de la semaine. Les jours de la semaine.
Les jours ou sama.
Les jours de la semaine. The days of the week.
Les jours de la semaine.
Yes. Les jours de la semaine. The days of the week. Start reading.
Monday, Lundi.
Lundi.
Ma'am, is it correct?
We call it lundi.
Lundi.
Yes.
Mardi.
Yes.
Mercredi. Jeudi. Vendredi. Samedi. What, ma'am?
Yes, yes. Go on. Very good.
Dimanche.
Dimanche. All of you can see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. We have done the subjects also.
Yes, I know we have done the subjects also. So first we are going to read these days. We are not doing much today. I want all of you to read out these days. Ayushi, now it's your turn. Starting from here. Les jours de la semaine. Start reading the days.
Les jours de la semaine. Lundi,
Yes, sir.
Mardi, Cassidy, Judy, Vendredi,
Vendredi. It's
Vendredi,
Vendredi. Hmm.
Vendredi, Samedi. What's last?
Samedi and dimanche.
Dimanche.
Next, Utkarsh Sharma. Utkarsh Sharma will read. Utkarsh,
Le jour de la semaine.
very good.
Lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche.
Dimanche, very nice. Muhammad Faiz.
Ma'am, he never respond.
He never responds. What about
Yes, ma'am, he
Jasmine?
never. Ma'am.
What about Jasmine?
And she
Kaur?
responds.
Yes, ma'am.
Better start reading. Open your camera. Why are your cameras off?
Okay, ma'am, I am reading. लीजिए दिला
Les jours de la semaine. Les jours de la semaine.
lundi, mardi,
Lundi, mardi,
lundi, mardi,
mercredi,
mercredi, jeudi,
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 vendredi. Say vendredi, vendredi,
vendredi, vendredi,
samedi,
samedi,
dimanche.
dimanche.
Yes. Now who is left? Anyone is left? Sukh Sahaj has read. Sukh Sahaj Singh has read or not?
Yes, ma'am.
You have read, beta?
No, ma'am.
Start reading then.
Ma'am, it is blur, so I cannot read.
It is blurred. Everyone else can see. Why can't you? Shall I bring it closer? Now you can see?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Lundi, mardi,
Start from the beginning. Les jours de la semaine.
les jours de la semaine. Lundi, mardi, mercredi,
Lundi.
jeudi,
No, wait. Lundi, mardi, mercredi. It's mercredi.
mercredi,
Jeudi,
jeudi,
vendredi,
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 vendredi, samedi,
and dimanche.
dimanche,
Dimanche. Okay.
dimanche.
Now what you'll do is, everyone has read, take out your copies and make this table.
Okay, ma'am.
I'm going to write days. What is this? Avant. Avant, aujourd'hui, and après. This means before. If today is, let's say, what is the day today? today is Vendredi. Isn't it Friday today? Then après
Yes,
Vendredi
ma'am.
is what comes après Vendredi, and
Samedri.
what comes avant Vendredi?
Judy.
Samedri.
Yes. You have to fill this table. Now suppose
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, can you read the spelling of the second word? Ma'am, I can't understand.
spelling of the second is Lundi, lengthy.
No, ma'am. Second word.
This one or this one?
Ma'am,
Aujourd'hui.
above that. Yes, ma'am.
Aujourd'hui. AUJOUR D apostrophe HUI.
Okay, ma'am.
Aujourd'hui. And it's après. Après is after. Okay, après, avant, and aujourd'hui. Children, will you be able to complete this table?
Yes,
Okay. Now do one thing, do this table and post this work on the class group. I'm going to check it right now.
ma'am. Ma'am, posting in 2 minutes.
No problem, take 5 minutes, but do it very nicely, neatly. It should be very beautifully presented.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, very good, beta. Post it.
Ma'am, I have post.
Wait, beta, I'll check and let you know.
Okay, ma'am.
Very nice, Utkarsh. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, I have sent also.
Hamad, beta, you have sent and I'm just looking at your work. Look at your spellings. The spelling of Dimansh is wrong. Yadi is wrong. Mercredi is wrong. So many spelling mistakes. Just rectify the work and send it again.
Okay, ma'am.
And you people are in class 7th. Use a ruler at least to make such kind of a table. Both of you, Utkarsh and Hamad, have drawn it with free hand and it is looking so shabby. Do it with a scale properly.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I have also done.
Jasmine, beta, you have not posted this work. You have only posted the days of the week. Post this table, do this table and post your work.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I have done it very clearly. In good
Okay, beta, I'll
handwriting.
see and wait, I'll just check. Send it on the group.
Ma'am sent.
Okay, beta, I'll check and let you know. So nicely you have done it now. Very good. And the Monch, the spelling is M-A-N-C-H-E. Again, Mercredi spelling is wrong. It's beta, Mercredi is M-E-R-C-R-E-D-I. Mercredi.
Okay, ma'am.
And again, Jadi.
Ma'am,
Jadi is J-E-U-D-I. Hamad beta, you have your book with you?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, see from the book and make the correction in these spellings. And
Okay,
it is
ma'am.
not A-N, it is A-V, avant. It's avant. Avant and après, A-P-R-E-S. What have you written in the table? It's avant, aujourd'hui, and après.
Okay, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Okay, beta, bye to all of you.
Ma'am, I have done.
Very nice.
Ma'am,
Do your work and send it here.
Ma'am, I have sent it also.
Very good. Very nice.
Bye bye, ma'am. Have a nice day,
Bye,
ma'am.
beta. Same to you.